Welcome, everybody. Anthony Speciale here with Speciale Analysis, unedited and on the edge of the market. We're going to take a look at Disney today, ticker DIS. We're going to look at it together. I'm going to give you my perspective on what I see, what my thought process is, and what my anticipations are. So, been obviously in a downtrend for a little bit of time here. We've essentially rode the correction in the broader market. We've also been in a short term uptrend, which has been the rally we've been experiencing in this bear market. If you watched Monday's video, you were well aware of the things that I am particularly looking for to consider this bear rally to be, or this bear market to be over and this rally to be meaningful. So, with that being said, looking at Disney, we have just had good earnings, better than expected on revenue, better than expected on their earnings. So that is certainly positive. So that's a good thing. We've just broken a downward channel structure right here. So that's a good thing. We've found support at the 50-day, which is great. We've had a presence of significant buying volume, which is also great. We have bullish relative strength. Again, all great signs. So, what am I looking for? Well, myself personally, I am looking for price action to settle above the 200-day moving average by more than 1%. So, on a weekly basis, I want to see my candle close above the 200-day moving average by more than 1%. Just like this closed above this downward channel structure by more than 1%, I want to see the exact same thing. So when I see that, now I recognize that I have the opportunity to buy this company. So the 200-day, the area of the 200-day, I don't want to call it exact, should now act like some form of support as opposed to some form of resistance. And what do I mean by that? You could see after this candle had closed above the 50 now became support. When price action came back and tested it, it drove that price higher, drove the price higher, drove the price higher. So what are we experiencing now? We're testing the 200, we're driving the price lower. Now it could go much lower, but in order for me to get excited about the opportunity to buy here, I would like to close above the 200 and in hopes of the 200 now acting like the 50, where it becomes a support mechanism for us as opposed to a resistance mechanism, which it is at this very moment. So I want to share this with you guys, let you know what my thought process is. Again, if you did not watch Monday's video, I encourage you to go back and watch it. I cover the major markets. I really cover my thought process of, hey, listen, these are the things that I am specifically looking for. If I get that criteria met, I am more than happy to say, hey, listen, we're out of the woods and we keep buying from here. If those criteria that I've set forth have not been met, the likeliness is we could, and I'm not saying we will, but we could see this market, take a leg lower. Would it be the worst thing in the world? No, but here nor there, we really would like to see the confirmation that we're ultimately looking for. So those are my thoughts on Disney. I want to share them with you today. I realize that they're not necessarily actionable to buy or to sell, but with that being said, having an understanding of what price action is doing and what it may do in the future, I believe is extraordinarily important so that we are able to make the best decisions when those opportunities do present themselves. And that is why I spent the time today to share this commentary with you. So I appreciate you as always for joining me. Thank you very much. I wish you a beautiful and blessed day, and I look forward to speaking with you again tomorrow.